I'm just getting back from the store and I had to get some jelly, and this is the only thing I could find. And it weighs 20 ounces and Beth's carrying all the food. So.
£1.5 of jelly, Brad? Come on. I'm not going to carry this.
We're bringing butter.
And I gave up my poncho and shirt that weighed 2 ounces.
What's the butter for?
The butter is for if we catch a fish. Then we have butter to fry the fish.
Can you put it in here?
Oh, it's too small.
Huh?
You need that much butter?
Well, we do, because it's going to double for butter on our bagel with peanut butter on top of it.
Well, then, you know, I don't know what I said. Can you put it in here?
So our friends have not come along. We got so far in front of them, we decided to do the Portage, and we came back to help them with their gear, and they're nowhere to be seen, and they should definitely be here by now. We just called the outfitters, and they said what we took is not the Portage Trail. So they might be on the Portage Trail. So when we first got here, it was around 3 hours, and we had gone 7 miles. Now we've walked out the Portage and back the Portage. So I was up at the campsite there eating some food, and I just came back to the boat, and I noticed on the ground there's a smiley face. And then I walked down here and I saw they have been here. That's their gear. So we gotta go back. Okay, so this is the actual Portage Trail that we missed. I hope they're coming down this trail. Well, you got, that's
now,
one.
I'm going to tell you, you cheated. You got to do this all over again. You did the wrong Portage.
Let me hear you singing.
Day 2, the end, and it's pouring.
At 30.25 miles, 6.5 miles from when we start is 2 rapids. You Portage first on the left and second on the right.
So we are waiting for our friends to leave, and when they leave, we're going to give them a half hour head start because we cannot stand these mosquitoes. And we don't want to get to the first portage before they do and have to wait around with the mosquitoes. So we're hanging out in the tent
For half an hour
after they leave. So this is the question. If they leave half an hour before us at, say, 7 a.m., what time will we catch them?
And they paddle half as slow as we do. So they paddle 2 miles an hour. We paddle 4 miles an hour. When will we catch them? And the answer is...
What's the answer?
The answer is...
They'll go 2 miles in the first hour.
So
we'll go 2 miles in our first half hour.
They will have gone 2 miles.
And we'll have gone two miles.
We leave at 7:30, and we will go 2 miles in a half an hour. So we will catch them at 8 o'clock.
We'll catch them 1 hour
Hopefully.
after they leave, half an hour after we leave. So this is Spencer Rips, and it looks like it's pretty simple. Like you could just go down right about there. But if you screw up, there are big rocks covering just under the surface. See that one? And we don't dare mess up and hit one of these with our boat. So we are not going to risk it. And although I've seen tons of YouTube videos where people run these, just not something we're comfortable with, so we're not going to do it. The whole area is full of mosquitoes. Okay, it's 8:05, so we're 10 minutes late starting, so they have a 40-minute lead. We caught him in 36 minutes. Okay, we're at Etienne Falls now, which is barely a ripple. There are some people camping. These are the first people we've seen. So that is where we were. We just came across this whole lake from way over there all the way across there and down into there. And we could tell that it was starting to rain, and Julie and Brian are probably somewhere out there. Can you see them?